Hello, I'm Vishruth and welcome to this demo on the offline capability in Canvas applications. Today, I'll walk you through how this powerful feature keeps end users like field sales executives and remote operatives connected to the data they need, even in low or no network areas. With offline capability enabled, users can continue to review data, add entries, and make updates in both Canvas and model-driven applications, all without an internet connection. Once back online, all changes are seamlessly synced to Dataverse, ensuring uninterrupted productivity and access up-to-date information. Let's look at some of the key features that make offline capability in Canvas application using Dataverse so effective and reliable. Automatic data synchronization, real-time connection status monitoring, incremental syncs, selective data download. Now, let's dive into a live demonstration using a Canvas application. To simulate this, turn off mobile data on the mobile device. After that, you will notice an icon change in the header. Now, let's create a new request. I will select all the required fields and click Save to Patch. After saving, we can able to see icon in the header indicating that syncing needs to be done. To verify the upload, switch to the web application. There is no record even after refreshing. Now again, let us verify. Once we turn on mobile data, a reconnected message appears and the icon in the header changes, indicating that syncing is complete with no pending syncs. Here are some key points where it differentiates between Dataverse and collections. In the Dataverse, there is an inbuilt offline support and data size can be limited up to 3 million rows. The conflict resolution will be automatic and even it handles schema change automatically. Whereas in the collection, it requires custom function to handle the offline, that is save data and load data. Even the data will be limited to 70 MB. Thank you.
Sysfore is a global technology consulting company helping customers in their digital transformation journey. We are a specialist Microsoft Gold partner on Azure, Dynamics 365, and Power Platform. Stay tuned for more customer videos, stories from Sysfore.